Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Garmin Vivoactive 5. First, ensure your new device is fully charged using the provided USB-C cable. Next, download the Garmin Connect application onto your smartphone from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the simple on-screen instructions to pair your watch via Bluetooth. Finally, take a moment to personalize your watch face and customize your preferred data fields right from the device or the app. Your Vivoactive 5 is a fantastic daily companion, continuously tracking your activity. It monitors your steps, distance covered, and calories burned automatically. You'll also get continuous heart rate monitoring, providing valuable health insights. Plus, stay connected with smart notifications delivered right to your wrist, so you never miss an important alert. Don't forget to use the advanced sleep tracking for a deeper understanding of your rest patterns. When it's time to get active, your Vivoactive 5 truly shines. You can choose from over 30 preloaded sports applications, covering everything from running to yoga. Starting a GPS-tracked outdoor activity is as simple as a single tap. Remember to customize your data screens for each specific sport profile to see the metrics most important to you. After your workout, easily review detailed summaries right on your watch. To get even more from your Vivoactive 5, explore the Garmin Connect IQ store for additional applications and watch faces. For peace of mind, set up safety and tracking features, including incident detection, which can alert emergency contacts. You can also conveniently manage music playback from your paired smartphone directly on your wrist. Finally, optimize your battery life by adjusting display settings, like screen brightness and timeout duration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.